Hey guys, so right now I'm outside. Ready na ako para sa solar eclipse. Nag-order ako ng solar glasses from Amazon kasi I'm really waiting for this date. Today is April 8 and dito sa Edmonton, it's expected na ang peak time nung solar eclipse is around 12:46 ng tanghali. It's currently 12:25 and medyo nag-i-start ng mag-overlap yung moon at saka yung sun. So I'll try to make a film. So what I'm gonna do, so gagamitin ko tong film na ito, itatapat ko dun sa camera ko so that I will be able to take a shot using my phone. Although I don't know really kung experience namin yung pag-dark dito during yung peak ng eclipse, no? Kasi ang talagang totality ng eclipse, I believe, sabi nila sa news, is sa Ontario area. Montreal yata, and also other parts of Ontario like Hamilton, and dun din sa may Niagara Falls. But anyway, we'll capture what we can capture. Okay, so right now, ito yung nakikita ko sa camera. Pero kapag gamit ko yung glasses, ang nakikita ko, naka-overlap na yung moon tsaka yung sun. Yung moon nasa baba, around 10% na yung overlapping nila. Apparently, hindi masyadong kita dito. Okay, anong oras na? Right now, it's 12:30. And let's see kung makikita natin. Mafi-film natin at 12:46. Okay, ito, I'm using my bigger camera. Parang wala pa rin akong makapture. Ano nakikita nyo? Ayun, medyo kita. So, if you look at lower left, so parang may kagat siya, yung sun instead na whole bilog, diba? So, yun yung moon. Okay. So, ngayon, yung moon, gumalaw na siya. So, okay. So, mukhang yung movement hindi totally mag-overlap. So, 10% of the sun, yung covered ng moon. Tapos, mukhang dadaan lang yung moon. Pag ganon, from right to left. So far, yun yung nakikita kong movement niya. Kasi kanina, nasa babang baba siya nung sun eh. Right now, nasa bandang lower left. Okay. So yeah. So dito nga sa Edmonton, dito sa Alberta, so hindi talaga natin makikita yung total overlap nila. So it's like 10% lang yung overlap na nakikita natin. Okay. So ito, zoom ko yung lens. Baka sakaling mas kita. Ayan, konti na lang paalis na yata. Yan, actually naka-overlap pa. Kaya lang, pagka sobrang i-zoom ko na yung lens ko, hindi na niya makapture. So, yan, kung nakikita nyo, lower left. So, there's a little bit of a sphere. May naka-overlap sa lower left. Yun yung moon. Okay, so right now, it's 12:46. So, yan, meron pang overlap. Ayun yan, finally nag-work yung full zoom ko. So that's the closest I can get. Okay, currently 12:50 in the afternoon here at Edmonton, Alberta. So this is how the solar eclipse looks like right now from our view. So I'm using a DSLR camera with zoom lens together with my solar glass. Ayan, so nandun pa rin siya sa left. Pero I feel like it's moving further to the left na siya hanggang mawala na yung overlap. Okay, so this is how it looks like at 1 o'clock. Currently, 1 o'clock right now at Edmonton. Yeah, so ito yung kalangitan namin ngayon dito sa Edmonton. We're just lucky, you know, na maganda yung panahon. Kaya at least medyo hindi man total eclipse, at least nakita. Yeah, it's actually my first time to experience na makita ang ganyan yung solar eclipse. Although it's not total eclipse. Okay lang, it's worth an experience. So, bali dalawa ito na in-order ko. Yung isa nasa anak ko. So, right now, he's in school. Tapos sabi niya, sa school naman daw, basta may glasses sila, palalapasin sila at this point of time para ma-witness din nila. So, yeah, it's just fun to see. Kasi, this is not something that you see every day. And sabi nga nila, ilang years ba bago ulit ito mangyari. So, this is a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Okay, balik na ako. Hindi pa tapos, may overlap pa, pero so 1 o'clock, time to work. Tapos na lunch break ko. Ito yung situation right now, buti pa sila sa PEI. Tapos ito sa Quebec. Talagang full eclipse sa kanila.